Yeah, next topic is the pH scale. So this pH scale is introduced by the SPL Sorensen scientist to explain or to measure the H plus ion concentration, and it was introduced by the SPL Sorensen scientist. SPL Sorensen scientist is introduced to measure the H plus ion concentration or H3O plus ion concentration. There is an SPL Sorensen scientist is introduced this pH scale, right? So, and in this particularly this for what purpose this pH scale is introduced means to measure the H plus ion concentration or to measure the H3O plus ion concentration. pH scale is introduced now. And actually this pH scale, actually P stands for which is a German word, and which is a potenge. P stands for and pH scale P stands for potenge, which meaning is a power, and which is actually a German word. So in the pH scale P stands for potenge, and which meaning is a power, right? This potenge is actually a German word. Okay, now, and actually this pH can be defined as the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration is called as it's a pH, and the pH can be defined as the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration, or hydronium ion concentration is called as it's a pH. And mathematically we can write pH is equals to minus log of this is an H plus ion concentration. pH is equals to minus log of H plus ion concentration. We will write down here. So, and this is simply in the same way there is an if I want a H plus ion concentration, I can write like this here: H plus ion concentration is equals to, so logarithm means definitely there is a base 10, it will be there. If I will make this H plus ion concentration as the subject of the formula, then you will get that there is a 10 power minus pH is going to be, this is a 1, it will be there. pH is simply basic definition is the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration is a pH, and you can make the H plus ion concentration is the subject of the formula. From that I can write 10 power minus pH in the same way, and I can write even POH also, and POH is equals to, this is a minus log of this is a OH minus ion concentration. Okay, minus log of OH minus ion concentration, and here again here OH minus ion concentration is equals to, so we can write 10 power minus POH, right? So this is also another formula to find out POH and here pH. As all we know that these pH values are started from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here somewhere in the middle 7 and so on up to 14 it will be there. So these are the pH values ranges from 1 to 3 and so on up to 14 it will be there. Okay, so whenever the pH value exactly equals to 7 is there, then it is in a neutral solution. Okay, so pH and POH, the sum of the pH and the POH is always equals to the, it's a 14. pH plus here it is in POH value is always equals to the 14. Okay, I can write the sum of pH and POH value will be always equals to the 14, and here pH plus POH is always equals to the 14. Generally these pH values are varies from 1 to 3 and so on up to 14, and the basic definition, and pH plus POH value equals to, always it is equals to the 14. In the same way I can write that for the Ka and Kb are the dissociation constants are there. Ka is simply a dissociation constant of acid, whereas a Kb is a dissociation constant of a base. That means with the help of, generally this Ka value is acidic strength is directly proportional to the Ka value, and your basic strength is which is directly proportional to the here it is in a Kb value. That means more is a Ka value and its acidic strength is going to be more, and less is the Ka value and its acidic strength is going to be lesser. Whereas in the case of this basic strength also in the same way, if Kb value is more is there, then its basic strength is going to be more. Whereas in the case of Kb value is less, it will be there, then its basic strength is less, it is there, right? In the same way, I can write here particularly acidic strength is directly proportional to Ka. What is mean by Ka? Ka is simply a dissociation constant of acid. Kb is a dissociation constant of a base, right? So I can write in the same way, this is in pKa also we can write here, pKa is equals to minus log of Ka, and this is pKb also we can write here. So pKb is equals to minus log of this is an Kb. Okay, so pKa is equals to minus log of Ka, pKb is equals to minus log of Kb, right? So based on these pH values, again the solutions are further classified into the three types are there. So what are the three types of solutions? Acidic solution, basic solution, and a neutral solution, right? The solutions are again three types based on these pH values. One I can write, there is an particularly acidic solution. Acidic solution. So in this acidic solution, already we know that its pH value is always less than the 7. So here pH value is always here less than 7, it will be there. That means we can write here H plus ion concentration should be always which is greater than the 10 power minus 7. So whenever the H plus ion concentration greater than the 10 power minus 7 and its pH value will be the less than 7, it is there. And in other terms we can write even it's a OH minus ion concentration also. OH minus ion concentration will be always which is in greater than the it's a 10 power minus 7. So otherwise in terms of OH minus ion concentration only, better you would write in terms of it's a H plus ion concentration only. So why? Because pH related, no, OH plus ion concentration greater than the 10 power minus 7. And the next one is your basic solution. Your basic solution. So whenever I am talking about this basic solution, and definitely its a pH value is going to be so greater than 7 here. I can write its a pH value is greater than the 7, and its a H plus ion concentration should be which will be less than the 10 power minus 7. So if H plus ion concentration is less than the 10 power minus 7, in the sense it may be a 10 power minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, like that you can write. So then you will get pH value is greater than the 7. And the next third one is which is a neutral solution. Which is a neutral solution. In the neutral solution already we have seen in the ionic product of water, H plus ion concentration should be equals to the OH minus ion concentration, so that here H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration are equal. Definitely whenever the H plus ion concentration is equals to the it's a OH minus ion concentration, then we can write here it's a pH of the neutral solution is always equals to the 7, it will be there. For neutral solutions, pH value is always equals to the 7, right? So based on the pH values, solutions are mainly three types: acidic solution, basic solution, and a neutral solution. Okay, so this is a basic concept involved in this one. And in addition to this one, here temperature effect also we'll talk about. So suppose I am taking that as the temperature is increases. So what happens if the temperature is as the temperature is increases, what happens? Ionization of water increases, then the Kw value also increases. So there is an increase in the H plus ion concentration takes place, and the decrease in the OH minus ion concentration takes place. That means here as the temperature is increases, temperature is directly proportional to the ionic product of water. In the previous case we have seen, and definitely it's a Kw value will be increases, and Kw value is increases means I can write here it's a H plus ion concentration value will be increases, and it's a pH of the solution also it will be increases. Okay, so as the H plus ion concentration is increases, H plus ion concentration increases in the sense its a pH value will be increases. So its opposite case also you can take, as the temperature decreases then the Kw value will be decreases and H plus ion concentration will be decreases, then the pH will be decreases. So this is simply a temperature effect on the particularly solutions. As the temperature increases, we know that H plus ion concentration is increases. In the same way, we'll talk about there is it's a concentration H plus ion concentration increases, then pH of the solution will be particularly it is in a decreases. pH of the solution is so we'll talk about this is a pH of the solution will be concentration increases in the sense 10 power minus 6 and minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 like that. So that pH of the solution will be decreases. Okay, so this is a case, it's a opposite case also you can able to take. Temperature is increases, yeah, temperature is increases case is this one. If the temperature is decreases, then we'll talk about it's a Kw decreases, H plus ion concentration is decreases, and pH value at the time it is increases. Shall I write that one here down now? So I will adjust this one here, and from that here pH value will be this is going to be decreases, and here temperature will be decreases, and here Kw is again this is decreases, and I can write here H plus ion concentration will be, so which is a decreases. From that its a pH value will be increases. These two cases are very important. They will ask some of the questions based on this one also, but you check this aspect. So, and some people will tell based on this one pH value coming from 7 to 0 or 7 to 14 case. 7 to 0 means pH value will be decreases. When the pH value is decreases means definitely H plus ion concentration is increases from the temperature, and then Kw also increases. Whereas in the case of pH value increases case, from back to this particular temperature case also we can able to come, right?